Do you have cracked heels that hurt and look unpleasant? I'm going to show you a natural trick that really works. And you probably already have all the ingredients at home. Stay until the end because I'll reveal a secret combination that restores your heels overnight. The first ingredient is onion. I start by cleaning it, grating half a small onion, and then straining it to get fresh juice. Onion is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation, cleans wounds, and promotes skin regeneration. You might notice a slight smell, but trust me, it works wonders. Friends, write in the comments if you know any other remedies for cracked heels. Share it so the whole world can discover it. You'll help many people with the same problem and learn even more tips. Thank you. You only need a small amount of juice. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. Next, we add Vaseline, which locks in moisture and penetrates deep into the cracks. The combination of onion juice and Vaseline creates a creamy mixture that repairs the skin while you sleep. Vaseline softens tough skin and prevents your heels from drying out further. The third ingredient is half a tablespoon of lemon. Its mild acidity helps remove dead skin and refreshes your feet. Lemon also acts as an antiseptic, enhancing the effects of onion juice and Vaseline. Finally, we add a tablespoon of coconut or olive oil rich in vitamin E. It nourishes and regenerates the skin, making your heels softer and smoother. This combination of natural ingredients creates a powerful, hydrating, and restorative treatment for cracked heels. Mix all the ingredients well in a bowl and apply to your heels. But first, make sure to wash your feet thoroughly. Put on clean socks and leave it overnight. By the next morning, you'll notice your heels feel softer and less cracked. For best results, repeat every few days. This natural trick is safe, simple, and effective with no chemicals. If you like this video, like, comment, and share with friends who struggle with cracked heels. Try it out and let us know your results. Thank you so much and take care.